guys, we're here, Rose and me. So we will give you feedback about the video. So we will play first.
My name is Pogs from Philippines. I love you too.
Wow!
Mama, chup chup. Got this?
So he asking you if you eat.
Can I have some? What is that?
I love you too.
Salamat!
We will see you in Philippines.
See you in Philippines soon, inshallah.
So
Wow.
what can you say about the video?
Wow,
What's your reaction?
I'm so happy for the love. I love you too.
Shout out Dita Vines.
Hmm?
You say shout out Dita Vines.
Shout out Dita.
Dita Vines.
Dita Vines.
So what you will see about them?
I would like to meet you in future.
So did you appreciated
Yeah. I'm so happy for the video. Then I'm waiting for another one.
Inshallah, we will do more content, right?
Yeah.
So next time I will teach you how to speak what?
Tagalog.
No, not Tagalog, Bisaya.
Bisaya.
So what's the most you like in Philippines?
Adobo.
What kind of adobo? Pork, chicken?
Both.
Both.
Yeah.
So what's your religion?
I'm a Christian, of course.
I thought you were Seventh-day Adventist.
But it is a Christian, not Muslim.
No, the Seventh-day Adventists, they are not eating pork.
They eat.
In your country.
Yeah, in our country we
So
don't
guys,
have so many rules.
sa balista siya,
Yeah.
ihang lola, ba't mukhaon siyang baboy? I'm Christian but I'm not eating pork. So, where is it? Not same. So what else?
Nothing.
Oh, say bye.
Bye.
Bye, folks.
See you in next episode, right? Love you. Mwah, mwah.
Bye, guys.
Bye.